to take flight. How far will you commit? Dare to strive and conquer new heights.
Where aspirations are transformed into action, where intentions are declared boldly and publicly. Because in our way, we don't just dream, we commit.
In every challenge we face, it has been our shared goals, our unified direction, and our unwavering belief in each other that has brought us to where we are today.
And tonight, 12 departments will rise a step forward, not just to unveil their goals, but to declare their dedication, their unity, and their drive to achieve greatness in 2025.
As each department is called, they will be joined on stage by our ceremonial scroll bearers, unveiling their department's mission and commitments, and signing their name to the future they are helping to shape.
And in true Army spirit, they will rally their teammates with the call